Hi, my name is Andre Rueda. This is Sustaining Task 4, the movie. The film is about a man with the night good when he sees that things are not going well for him. He decides to him the job of obeying God. So this man who uses high power for his own benefits. When he realizes that having that power does not give him the happiness that he really wants. So in the end, realizes that the only thing he needs was his kid life and love that he had from the beginning. It is the border within the United States and Canada at the Niagara Falls crossing. His is direct we don't shy that. The stars of the film are Jim Carrey and Jennifer Aniston. He played a curiosity reporter and she played a children garden teacher. One of the best scenes takes place it take place on the highway where Bruce, the protagonist, deal good that Enoch and that he doesn't want the power. It has happy, surprise, sad ending, and it has a happy ending as the protagonist ends up with the person he loved and the end up returning to his job. I like the film because it's a comedy which make me laugh more than once. The protagonists acting are very good and the ending semi very precise to me for characters.